Hello. What's up, Team baby? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I'm doing good, but how y'all doing? You guys, look, your girl is tan. We getting tan out here in Hawaii. So from the title, don't mind my hair, I just got out of the shower. You could tell that we have a Shein try-on haul, my favorite company. I have like 1,000 of these try-on hauls and I just absolutely love them. I do have the first one on and I feel like these colors, first of all, I love these colors. Like black and army green are my favorite like combo together. It just like stands out and I love it. It's not like stand out like poppy kind of stand out, but just like the combo. I love like the navy kind of look, you know. But anyways, I do have the first one on. So I think that I could have got a size a little bit, a little bit smaller. But it's just like a really cute like get up. You guys know I call these get ups. But it is like Jenny lost some weight. It is a little bit big here. Like the pants, I definitely probably could have used a small, which is just different because some pants I do I'm small and they're too small. But these Spankies, they always fit back here, but it's a little bit of big on my waist. But really cute, open back, you know what I'm saying? I'm a little bit burnt, I think so, don't mind me. I'm just out here getting tan every day. You guys, if you look back at my old videos, you'll see like my progress. I was white, like I came to Hawaii looking like the sun. And now, they think I'm a little bit local. Not really, I mean kind of, but I'm trying to, I live here, so I'm trying to really get tan. You know, I got long hair. I'll start surfing. I'm really just gonna live it up here. But yeah, so these are the first one. They go all the way down to the feetsies. I would not wear these to the gym. These are just like a cute little on the go. Gotta go to the store kind of look. So, what y'all think about this one? Ah! Dun, 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 dun. Come on, boys. Get on up there. Woo! When I tell you that I have the AC on and I'm sweating, it's because I'm trying to get these damn jeans on. So, most of you know, jeans are usually jail for gym rat people. But these are so cute. Like, I was like, I hope these fit. I pray these fit. I pray I got the right size. Because they're super stretchy. Like, literally, I can squat in them. The buns fit perfecto. And the only thing is the waist, of course. So they're like, they're stretchy. A little bit big on my waist, but they always fit the thighs for the guys. They go all the way down here to your ankle. And I really like the little line on the side, but I really do like, you guys, usually you will never see me wearing jeans ever because they're jail. But these are like kind of like, I would say like jegging jeans. So they're super stretchy, really comfortable, and I definitely dig these 100%. Oh, who's that? You guys, look at how cute. Honestly, this is like, see, I just love little get-ups, you know, as you can tell. And I mean, I'm dying right now because it's like 95 degrees and I'm in a sweater. But I could wear this in Hawaii at like nighttime because it's like warm at night. But oh, right now in the daytime it's way too hot. But look at these little shorts, pockets, super cute. And you guys know I love my crop tops. Raindrop. So it's a little crop top and it has a hood. Cause I'm so hood. Okay, stop. Yeah, so anyways, and I love this color. It's like mustard on the beat. It's not like yellow. My next one is yellow, which you guys have seen on Instagram before I posted the picture, before I did this video. But anyways, these are really cute, and they're not too short in the back. They just perfectly cover the buns. And yeah, so the last one coming up, I cannot do the full spin around, but you'll see. Okay, girl. Tell me that this doesn't just say I'm fierce. But really, let me tie this a little bit tighter. I had posted this picture on the gram, and now you guys are seeing it live in action. And if you see the picture on my Instagram, which is tbabylove2, you will see that I cannot raise my arms up right now because it does have the under boob, which I absolutely love, and this strap here. And it is very, very cheeky, like thong cheeky, so I cannot turn around, I'm sorry, because of YouTube. But I do have my Patreon page, which is always in the link, where I could do my full videos, try on hauls and everything, and they accept me for who I am. Okay, anyways, it has a tie here, full cheeky in the back, so I can't turn around, sorry. But it's really cute bathing suit. Honestly, this is more of like a bathing suit that I would wear to like a pool party, maybe for a little bit, or like a photo shoot or something, because if I laid out with this on, look at the tan line that I would get. It would be a funky situation. And right now I've been tanning a lot, and I've been getting rid of, like, you can see I have a tan line here, so I've been getting rid of a lot of like the weird tan lines and really just toning it up a little bit. So yeah, like always, these are always in the description for anyone who wants to shop. My code is Q2Terriana, which I'll leave it down below. You guys, people ask me all the time on Instagram, what's the code, what's the code, what's the code? I always put everything in the description. So I hope you guys have fun shopping, because it is summertime and all these clothes are super cute for summer, and you need to look good, you need to get ready, stay ready, so you don't have to get ready. Okay, I love y'all, and I'll see y'all soon.